Are you looking for the best oil drain pans in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best oil drain pans that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the FloTool 42003Mi16 Quart Drain Container. We are opening this best oil drain pans review with the best choice product, and looking at the design of this oil drain pan you would tell that it is one that makes a lot of sense and makes oil change easy. If you haven't carried out an oil change before and you get to do that using this oil drain pan, then you would realize how easy it oil drain pan would make the whole task for you. This oil drain pan features the combination of two essential parts when carrying out an oil change, and that is having a drip tray that has a wide catching area. Secondly, it also features a container where you can keep the used oil, and this container has leak-proof caps and is built to be secure. For easy transportation, you can store this oil drain pan on its side or in an upright position, while its comfortable handles also make carrying this oil drain pan quite convenient. With this oil drain pan, there is a possibility of making use of it for 2 oil changes, and this is as a result of its 16-ounce capacity. Up next in the 4th place is the Stens Oil Drain 750-732 15 quart. It is however very interesting that this is the second time an oil drain pan from the Hopkins brand would make it to our well-detailed and educating guide. This is one oil drain pan that was designed getting some inspiration from the previous oil drain pan we talked about, but this oil drain pan also comes along with some additional features. This integrated oil drain pan makes way for an easy oil drain experience, and users would also find it easy to pour oil into any container. Once more, this is another oil drain pan that has a very wide drain area, and what this means is it requires less accuracy in draining the oil and also less spillage or less mess. Its inbuilt spout also offers users a high level of control when pouring oil into a container. All of these features and more are what make customers love this product and give it a 5-star rating. The third product on our list is the Capri Tools CP21023 Portable Oil Drain Pan. The Capri Tools Oil Drain Pan is the next product we would be looking at right now, and this is one oil drain pan that is pleasing to make use of, and this is based on the fact that they know how well to do their job. This oil drain pan has an affordable price tag and is certainly one of the best oil drain pans that you can trust when carrying out an oil change. Taking a look at its construction, this pan is designed using durable polyethylene plastic, and what this tells you is this is one product that would last longer than expected. No matter how much oil it holds, you can trust this oil drain pan to remain rigid and strong. Having an 18 quart capacity means this oil drain pan would contain a very large amount of oil, and users would also not experience any issues with pouring oil into a container, as it comes with a spout that is designed to have control. You can count on this oil drain pan to do the job it is required to do, and guess what? It comes in an attractive green color. Second on our list is the GarageBOSS GB150 12.5 quart oil drain pan. This is another product that has bagged lots of praise because of its simplicity and also yet its innovative features. Looking at this oil drain pan, one thing you can't help but notice is its yellow funnel, which is designed to attach with ease to this unit for better and easy storage. When it comes to filling up this container with oil, this funnel is also inserted with ease, and we can't help but express how clever this design is. What this design tells you is that draining oil is a very easy process, and its funnel can be detached after use and cleaned up properly. Its 12.5 quarts capacity seems to be quite low compared to all other products that we have talked about, and this might make it not a really good choice for draining oils in trucks and SUVs, and furthermore, it also has a low-profile pan, which makes it a good choice for vehicles with modified suspension, sports cars, and cars that are low to the ground. Finally, the top product on our list is the Motivx Tools Engine Oil Drain Pan. If you want a durable oil drain pan, then this is one that you should consider, as it is made out of heavy-duty polyethylene material combined with a reinforced bottom, which makes it ideal for daily use, and carrying contents with this oil drain pan is quite convenient, as it comes with large front and rear handles, which also makes pouring contents out of this oil drain pan very easy. One feature that customers appreciate concerning this oil drain pan is its anti-splash lip design, which makes sure you don't have to deal with splashes or spillages when carrying oil around. With its well-designed pour spout, you would be able to pour contents from the drain pan into any container with ease. Thanks to this well-designed pour spout, you would pour oil into any container regardless of how small the container opening is. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.